Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in this video I want to share with you some of the experiences I had on a recent trip to Mexico. So, while I was down there, I got to see some really amazing waterfalls and get to photograph these. And unfortunately this was a little bit of about 6 months ago, and I've just been so busy that now I finally had the time to put this all together and be able to show you all these great photographs and these great locations that I got to see down there. So, I hope you really enjoy it. Alright, so first up on the list is this beautiful hacienda. It's actually the place where they filmed Mask of the Zorro, and it's Ex Hacienda de Santa Maria Regla. And it's a beautiful place. You can actually stay there and rent a room for the night. Unfortunately, we didn't really have the chance or the opportunity to do that. Next time when we go back, we're really hoping to be able to do something like that. So on the property, there's 2 waterfalls. And one of them is actually by the main property, which I'll show you right now, and show you some of the video and one of the photos that I took of that. And then the other waterfall that's on the property is actually, I won't say hidden, but kind of hidden. And you have to kind of know where to go to get to the path to take you to it. And fortunately enough, my wife's brother, he had been there before and he knew where to go. And so this is at the bottom of the Prismas, which is what I'm going to talk about next. And it's called the Fall of the Rose. And it's an incredibly beautiful place, as you can see from the video. And I'm going to throw up some of the a couple of the photos that I took of it, and it's really an amazing place to see. And I really hope that I'm fortunate enough to go back and reshoot it and revisit it, and maybe get something else this time, another kind of perspective from it. Alright, so next up is what's located next to the hacienda. I mean, it's like right next to it. And it's called the Prismas. Now, this area I got to actually fly the drone, and so I took some great aerial footage of that. And you know, it's a little bit of a walk down into like the area where you can see these prismas up close, and it's just incredibly beautiful. I love the color in the stones that's in the minerals that's in the rock formations that creates these hexagonal shaped rocks, and the water temperature, the minerals, and everything has to be perfectly right for it to create this sort of these hexagonal blocks basically. And there's a couple of waterfalls to shoot there, and it's really pretty. And I'll show you the black and white that I took that I absolutely love from this area. And I really hope that I can go back with maybe a better drone and you know, some newer equipment that I have to be able to take even better photos the next time around. Alright, so last but not least that's on this list of the waterfalls that I got to visit is a place that I've seen before. This is the second time going here, and I'll throw up some of the photos from the first and this last visit. And it's a place that I absolutely love, and it's called Tolantongo. And it's actually connected to 2 parts, Tolantongo and La Gloria. And they're 2 separate places, so you have to sort of pay 2 separate entrance fees to both. It's just kind of how that works, because there really is 2 separate areas to it. But the place that I'm showing you right now, the footage that you're seeing and the photos that you're seeing are from Tolantongo. And it's this beautiful hot springs area that's basically right into the mountainside. And warm water all year round, and crystal blue color. It's just pretty much like kind of like paradise. It's really a gorgeous place to see and visit. Lush greenery. I'll put this photo up right now, and as you can see that there's an entrance to a cave, and you can actually go inside of there. And I mean, I think if you would have asthma, you probably wouldn't be able to make it, because it's kind of warm steam. But once you get through the tunnel, it actually opens up into this huge cavern in the back it's a large cavern swimming pool, and you can swim in it. and they've got like a lifeguard back there and everything, you know, to make sure people stay safe. And it's a really incredible place to see and visit. And you know, if you ever get the chance to, you know, I'm gonna try to put up a relative like maps picture here and show you where it's located. And you know, I really hope you get the opportunity to see it because it's incredibly beautiful. Well, I hope you really enjoyed the video. I tried to make it as short as I could, but yet still include all the things I wanted to show you in this video. And like I said, you know, the best part about this is that it's right outside of Mexico City. You know, these places are only like an hour, 2 hours outside of Mexico City, so it's not very far from there, and they're pretty accessible too. And I'm just really happy that I got a chance to see them and see them in person, photograph them, video them, and be able to share them for you guys. And I hope one day that you're lucky enough to be able to see them too. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. So give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in future videos.